Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. Today I'm going to be showing you Indo-Chinese mushroom chili recipe. This is one of my favorite recipes and I prepare this for Chinese fried rice, noodles. It can also be served as a starter. Let's look into all the ingredients required and get started. I've prepped up all the ingredients for the recipe. Starting with mushrooms, I've washed the mushrooms thoroughly, pat it dry, allowed it to air dry, then I've chopped it into halves and quarters and reserved. We need to chop the onion into cubes and reserve it. Finely chop ginger and garlic and reserve. Slit the green chilies and reserve. We also need to finely chop the bell peppers. Chop it into tiny bite-sized pieces. And apart from that, we would also require an egg, ginger and garlic paste, some corn flour and all-purpose flour maida. We would require some soya sauce, white pepper powder. If you don't have white pepper powder, please use black pepper powder, chili sauce, tomato ketchup, Schezwan Masala Powder and chili flakes. If you can't find Schezwan Masala Powder, use Chinese 5-spice powder. Now I'm going to start marinating the mushrooms first. I've added the mushrooms to a bowl. I'll be adding ginger and garlic paste first. We need to marinate the mushrooms and allow it to rest for at least half an hour. I'll be adding Schezwan masala powder, white pepper powder, chili flakes, half an egg, salt, corn flour and all-purpose flour. We'll mix all the ingredients. While mixing, if your ingredients are too dry, you can always sprinkle a little bit of water and mix it so the outer covering is evenly coated on the mushrooms. So we need to just sprinkle a little bit of water and mix it. I'm going to mix all the ingredients and allow this mushroom to soak for at least half an hour to 1 hour's time. Now I've heated enough oil in a wok. I'm going to fry the mushrooms in the oil. I've placed the oil on medium flame. Now I'll gently be adding one piece at a time in the oil and I'll fry the mushrooms. All the ingredient measurements used in this recipe will be posted in the description box below this video. A detailed recipe will be posted on my blog. Blog link will be posted in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All the links to my social media will also be in the description box below this video. I've also posted my Tamil channel link. You can also follow me on my Tamil channel and subscribe to me for all the recipes translated and posted in Tamil language on my Tamil channel. I'm going to fry the mushrooms for 5 minutes on each side. I've placed this on medium flame. There is something that you have to know. When the mushrooms are frying, mushroom is going to release a lot of moisture and the oil might splatter. So always be a little bit far away while you're tossing the mushrooms because it might splatter, the oil might splatter and it might hurt your skin. So always be careful when you're frying mushrooms. Now once the mushrooms have fried and the outer covering has turned light golden brown in color, I've drained out all the mushrooms and reserved on the tissue paper. I'm going to fry the second batch in the same manner. So I fried these mushrooms in 2 batches. I'll start preparing the masala paste or the masala base for the mushrooms. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I've added ghee and oil. 1 teaspoon of ghee and 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, you can see it's nicely smoking. At that point, I'm going to add finely chopped ginger and garlic. I've also added the onions, which I've cubed and kept. I'm going to fry all the ingredients till the raw flavor has gone. Now to the onions, I'll be adding ginger and garlic paste. I'll fry all the ingredients till the raw flavor has gone. Now I'll be adding the bell pepper and slit green chilies. We need not fry the bell pepper too much. I like the crunch and I like the chili flavor also. We need not fry these ingredients too much or cook it too much. Now once I fried all the ingredients just for a minute, Capsicum, I've started to add the Schezwan Masala Powder. You can find the Schezwan Masala sachets in all the stores basically. It's very easily available. I've added soya sauce, chili sauce, tomato ketchup and chili flakes. I'm going to fry all the ingredients. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and MSG, and I'll toss the fried mushrooms in the masala. The recipe in detail will be posted on my blog, friends. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be posted in the description box below this video. You can click the icon above this video, which will direct you to my blog. I have sprinkled a little bit of spring onions and tossed the mushroom in the masala. The mushroom should remain crisp. Make sure you prepare the masala ahead of time and then you toss in the mushrooms. I've also sprinkled a little bit of white pepper powder. Check for salt, add salt if needed. Toss the mushrooms and serve it. If you're serving this mushrooms as a starter, serve it with tomato ketchup. It's very nice and tasty. You can serve this mushrooms for fried rice, noodles. It's a very nice starter and a side dish. Do try this recipe and post your comments, friends. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidyalakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.